Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2006 Toyota Prius. We're gonna be changing out the transmission fluid. So first thing we wanna do is jack the vehicle up as high as we can go so we can crawl under. Let's do it. Underneath the vehicle on the bottom of the transmission is our drain plug. That's a 10mm Allen. You'll notice another drain plug, that's a 24mm. That's for our inverter coolant. So if you wanna do a drain and refill of your coolant, that's the plug there, but we're focused on this Allen. Before we drain our fluid, we want to make sure that we can open up our fill plug. Let me show you where that is. So right here's our drain plug. Just follow the case up and you'll see our 24mm fill plug. So we'll crack that loose first and then we'll go ahead and drain our fluid. Can't really see from this angle, but I'm just getting our fill plug. Crack it loose. There we go. Wasn't too bad. I can feel it's loose with my finger. Now let's get our drain plug. Get our catch pan ready. Make sure it's in all the way. There we go. Wasn't too bad. What I should have did was took out the fill plug first, all the way. Then the stream would be a more steady stream. There we go. So, lesson learned. Let me back you up just a little. Perfect. Our drain plug is magnetic. So we just want to wipe off any debris that's on the tip. Then we can install it. I'll throw a torque spec on the screen so you can have it. Wipe it off real good. All right, let's fill it back up. This is my fill setup. We got our transmission fluid bottle, a pump, and then the hose goes in the fill plug, and we just pump it in until it starts dribbling out. And that's it. I've done a number of these, and it usually takes between 3.5 to 4 quarts. So if you were to have 4 quarts on hand, that'd be plenty. Hop back under. Here we go. Just gotta feel for the hole it's in, pump away. All right, there's one full bottle. All right, I got 3 full ones in. This is my 4th one. We'll see how much of it takes. All right, took it all. All right, that is it. No fluid came out after 4 quarts. That could be because of my angle. I'm pretty steep in the front. No big deal. I could take my pinky, put it in that fill hole, and get a whole bunch on the tip. So I know it's just right there on the rim. So that is perfect. We'll install our fill plug. I'll put a torque on the screen for you. Just wipe it down really good. And that's it. We're finished. Changing the transmission fluid is a nice piece of maintenance you can do on your Prius. Thanks for watching. I'll have a link in the description for the parts and tools used. Like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.